You don't need more willpower. You need momentum. One of the most powerful ways to build that momentum is stacking tiny habits that actually stick. Today, we're keeping it simple and sustainable. If you've spent years trying to change everything at once, it makes sense that you're tired. Restrict everything, track everything, fix everything. That all or nothing mindset burns out even the most disciplined person. But here's the truth. You don't need a massive routine. You need a repeatable one. Habit stacking is how you build real progress without starting from scratch. It's not about doing more. It's about building on what's already working. Here are 3 mindset shifts that will help you make consistency automatic. Shift 1. Use what's already solid. Start with something you already do regularly. Taking your medication, making your morning tea, putting on your walking shoes. Then, attach a small habit to it. Something simple like stretching for 2 minutes after your injection, or filling up a water bottle right after brushing your teeth. You're not forcing a new routine. What you're doing is you're anchoring it to something that's already a part of your day. Shift 2. Shrink the win. If a habit feels too big, you won't repeat it. The goal is to make this so small that you can't fail. Not go to the gym 5 days a week. Just put on your shoes and walk for 5 minutes. That may not sound impressive, but that's how identity starts to shift. Small wins tell your brain, I do this now. Shift 3. Make it make sense for your life. Stop copying what worked for someone else. Your habits need to fit your lifestyle, your energy, and your values. If a routine makes you dread your day, it's not the right routine. Start with one thing that makes your day feel better, and then build from there. Drop a puzzle emoji in the comments and tell me, what's one small habit you're stacking this week? And remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.